7 Sigma Offgrid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. What?
Calm down. Scare people away.
Scare people away.
Take a toothpick out your mouth.
Yes, talk about me. Worry about yourself.
Come on, let's go.
If you stop interrupting me, I can go. All right. Hey guys.
I'm gonna be corny face. Hello, guys.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna piss you off. Oh my God, he's so corny.
He's so corny. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Okay, so we've created the 7 Sigma Discord group where real life homesteaders can share how-to projects, ideas, proven techniques for off-grid living.
Well, who can do what now?
We're real homesteaders, project
Skilled
ideas.
tradesmen and skilled tradeswomen, people who know some stuff.
Yes.
Can get together with other homestead people.
Yes.
And we can all share information and school each other. And of course, we'll benefit the most from it because we don't know nothing. And y'all can help teach us some stuff.
Yes. All kinds of stuff, such as solar power tips.
Bob Monster, come on through, man.
Also, water system.
Homesteader bus, come on through. You definitely get an invite.
So we need experts who
Greenhouse.
are good at gardening and putting up greenhouses.
Come on through, Cliff. You definitely get an invite.
And also tools and machinery, DIY hacks.
Billy Blaze, come on through. You know you get an invite. You're already in.
Yeah, Billy Blaze is always
you're
giving
in,
us
man.
good tips.
So
So
you're automatically in. You don't even have to send an invite. I'm going to send you an invite.
yeah, there are people we're going to send invites to just
Right.
automatically. And preppers when
Hit the fan.
hits the fan. We need some survivor experts.
That's you too, Billy.
And survival skills. Yeah, we definitely need that because you just never know what might happen. And
Basically, we just came up with this group because we get a lot of good info in the comments. So let's just take some of the stuff off the comments and get kind of private. And we can just really go back and forth. You don't have to wait for a 7 Sigma video. We can just always hit each other up and just share ideas and tips and tricks. And
just really building a community of people who know a plethora of information, but also share information with each other because everyone has different skill levels. And I feel like we all can learn from each other. And everyone can learn from other people's mistakes as well.
And the best part about this is it's absolutely free. We ain't charging nothing. No memberships, no subscriptions, no funny stuff. We're just going to keep it invite only to keep the spam stuff down so nobody can come in there and try to sell stuff and all that. And we're just going to keep it real tight-knit community, absolutely free. Just download the Discord app on your phone or computer and we can just get it popping, get it going.
Yeah, so
For free.
it
Say
is
again.
free.
It's what?
For free.
No money. We ain't
No
charging
money.
nothing. Ain't no secret hustle.
No.
We're just really trying to build a community of like-minded people we can share information
Yes.
because all this stuff's going to crash and burn soon.
That's true. You never know.
So we're just trying to build a community, a nationwide community where we can share tips and tricks and check on each other and all that good stuff.
Definitely.
And again, it's what? For free.
So if you want to join, just send us an email and we will
send you an invite. Go on our About section of the channel and the email information is there so we won't get spammed. Under About, you'll see the email information. Shoot us an email.
Yep.
We'll send you an invite.
And we already have channels already created in there for different things like gardening, DIY projects, solar,
shit hit the fan,
water,
tools, machinery.
Just all kinds of channels that are already created. So we're just wanting you guys to come in and start communicating and sharing information.
Yep.
So, but we do ask if you are in a specific channel, speak to that particular topic, that subject, because, you know, for people who want to go in and learn something about a specific topic, they can go to that particular channel or share stuff. They can go to that particular channel and, you know, get some information or share information.
Yeah, keep it clean and smooth, keep everything where it needs to be so we won't have just people talking about random stuff.
Yeah. No bullying and no keyboard warriors.
Oh, yeah. We're not putting up with that kind of stuff.
We're not doing any of that in there because we're happy, joy over here. And we just want to share great information. Thank you guys. All right. Talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
We ain't going nowhere.
A while back, I had did a SHTF video in regards to my husband's in the background, as always.
Supervising. And making sure you do stuff right.
I don't need you to make sure I do stuff right. I don't need your supervision. Thank you very much. Anyway, I talked about making sure you have food as well as emergency equipment and all the materials just in case something happens. And you just never know. And we always want to make sure we have that. So we do have all like things like first aid kits and all of that stuff. We do have that stuff. Also, when we first did our emergency prepping, we went to Walmart. We had this long list of stuff, all the things that we bought. Yeah, I didn't really, I mean,
we we're new at the prepping stuff. So
yeah, we are new at the prepping stuff, and we're trying to stay on top of things. And one of the things that you have to stay on top of is expiration date.
A lot of this stuff is expired. We
A lot of
bunch
this
money on
stuff,
this stuff, and it's already old.
You think so?
I know so.
Or if it's not already old, it's starting to get old. So that means that we can use it before it gets old.
Yep.
But we do have to go through these items here. And I'll start giving stuff to you. You can look through them.
I don't want to do all that.
Yeah, I put you to work. You put me to work out there. You're working in here with me.
What I learned personally, we just bought a bunch of stuff, and next time be more mindful of getting stuff that we actually eat, because we can actually eat some of this stuff before it expires as opposed to throwing it away.
I just said that.
Oh, I wasn't listening.
I know you weren't listening. You see how he wasn't listening to me?
Listening?
I literally just said that.
I was busy supervising.
I don't need your supervision, because had you been supervising right, you would have known I said that.
I was supervising. Hey, a lot of this crap, I don't eat. We just went crazy on stuff I don't even eat. I don't even eat granola bars.
I eat granola bars. So
there's this stuff in here, like that Chef Boyardee that Bashi ate. That's disgusting. I ate that since I was a kid. Like, why do we buy that?
Because in an emergency, you don't care about what you eat or not. In emergency, what I'm trying to teach him is...
You're right. I understand you're right, though. But what I'm saying is, since we didn't have an emergency, now we're going to throw that out. We just wasted money. So we should buy things that we would actually eat.
Well, that's true.
That's all I'm saying. I'm trying to save some money.
Okay.
We spent a bunch of money on some stuff that we about to throw away. I'm repeating myself because I'm pissed off because we spent a bunch of money on some stuff that we about to throw out. And we ain't doing that again.
Okay.
We're about to go stock up, but it's got to be stuff we going to eat. Am I wrong or am I right? Tell us in the comments.
The first thing that we're going to do is check the expiration date, because some of this stuff I do eat. Like, I eat granola bars, especially on my hiking trips. I eat this stuff. So if they are about to go bad, we will eat them. But we don't eat this.
I didn't eat this since I was a kid.
But in an emergency, you would eat it because you have nothing else to
and
eat.
this don't even expire. You know it's bad when it don't expire. You shouldn't be eating nothing that don't expire.
That's true.
So bougie,
I really don't see an expiration date on here.
I don't think it does, though. But, we can always eat some oodles and noodles, though, for real.
It doesn't expire, seriously?
I don't see nothing on here about no expiration.
That's
Nada.
terrible.
But some stuff pop off. I can eat that.
So
I'll eat that.
We'll save this.
But ain't nobody eating this. That's what I was talking about. Chef Boyardee. Ain't nobody eating this. And I'm a food bougie, so forgive me. So I cook with all of this stuff. Chicken stock, I use the beef stock,
So what we will do is go through each one of the products.
You eat mackerel?
I do eat those. I do.
Okay, cool.
I eat pink salmon because I make salmon patties.
Yeah, so all that makes sense. So basically, I need to pick stuff that I want to eat because you covered. I'll be starving to death.
You would be starving, but
I'll be looking for pizza, Italian food.
So this is the reason why he'll be starving, because he's very picky about what he eats, and he's limited on what he eats.
Italian food.
That's it. Pizza,
chicken piccata, chicken marsala,
lasagna, spaghetti,
pastas, risotto,
and you don't
Jamaican
have
food.
All that. You got Chef Boyardee. That's that's Italian. That's your pasta right there, baby.
Right, bye,
your
Felicia.
pasta right there.
I'll let you get back to it. Bye.
Come back.
Bye. I'm gonna supervise from the wings.
I don't need you to supervise. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is go through all of this stuff and just look at the expiration dates to make sure we are staying with the expiration date. And if they are about to expire, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it and replace what we have to replace. But in our next go around for prepping, what we probably want to do is invest in some 5-year food.
Billy, we need you, man.
There are some companies that sell survival kits for like survival food.
5-year rice. And beans.
I mean, it's probably not the greatest, but we still need to.
We need to start getting into that.
We have a backpack with everything in
MREs.
it. Yeah, and it has
stuff that's disgusting, but you can survive on it.
Yeah.
Sprinkle a little water on it and just suck it up.
And it does have food in there, along with all the supplies you need, like a tourniquet, first aid kit, and all that stuff.
Yep, all that good stuff.
But the food in there, I think, lasts for about 5 years. And we also need to check that as well, because I got that about 5 years ago. But that's what we are in the mindset of, is prepping, just because we have volcanoes that are erupting under the sea.
We got AI.
Just awesome.
Robotics.
Why are you on AI so much?
Because everybody talking about everything else except that. And that's what's really going to shut it down, in my opinion.
How is AI going to shut it down?
Ain't nobody going to have no jobs.
So what that mean? That means we got to have to survive because nobody have jobs?
Ain't no telling what's going to happen on that. People will be eating
Chef Boyardee.
Y'all want some? Come on through. We got a lot of stuff that you can have.
We got a lot lot of Chef Boyardee stuff. And we invite you to do the same thing. If you don't have an emergency supply, at least start getting one.
And we're babies at it. We're not experts. So
yeah, there are some who are very survival savvy.
Billy.
And know all about this life.
Billy.
We're learning about this life.
Come in the Discord group, man, and school the hell out of us and everybody else who's interested in trying to survive and get their prepper stuff together. So you're the man. So
give us some comments about how we can do this a little better, what we can improve on, and what we need to do, because there are some things that we are missing that we just don't know of, and we're trying to learn. So we think this is a great opportunity to let us know. Let us know in the comments. Stop wasting
money on dumb stuff.
Yeah. The sun finally came out, even though it's going down. It was hot, but not too hot. Luckily, the sun was in.
Look at all that smoke.
You can see all the smoke from the fire. All that is smoke from the fires.
See, when the AI demons take over, we all got to be playing with our own drains, because we ain't gonna have no sewer. We don't have no sewer, no water. Even though it's a pain in the butt, it's good practice.
Yeah, it's good survival skills.
Self-sufficiency is a lot of work.
Yep.
Self-sufficiency. Say that 3 times.
And there go the planes again.
Cal fire. Put out them fires. Good job, sirs and gals.
So much for this shipping container.
Yep.
You need another shipping container just for emergency stuff.
Just for everything.
So who was telling you to get another shipping container?
Me.
No.
Who had my back?
Yeah, who had your back?
Roberto.
Roberto. Let me talk to you, Roberto. Come here for a second, Roberto. Let me holler at you. So you're right. We need some more room. That's all I gotta say.
We need a bigger house too.
Why you say that?
It's just hard having a bunch of stuff in a small space. Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, most of this stuff is projects. So when we finish them up, a lot of this will be gone, of course. But
there's a bunch of stuff in the house that belongs in here.
Yeah.
Since Indigo gave it to me, I need to really organize and utilize all of these. But got a bunch of crap in here. It needs to come over here.
You got a lot of stuff in the house that you're gonna get?
Yep.
You need my help?
Yep.
Alrighty.
I thought I was gonna say no, huh?
No, you always need my help.
You talk crap.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk crap because my husband has used our
pantry.
Our pantry, supposed to be pantry, for all his junk tools, gloves, toolbox.
This not junk.
All his materials that he needs for working.
Yes, it's on our pantry.
So
when it's time to cook, we have no spice room.
That's your fault.
Yeah. So I need to get all this stuff out, put it in that shipping container, use that thing Indigo gave me, and start utilizing it. So this is tiny living. Very tiny.
It is very tiny. It sure is.
So obviously, when we build on the other side, we won't be building a tiny home.
You got that right. No more tiny homes.
No more tiny home. This is for visitors only.
Yeah.
For family and friends. They can tiny. We're going to be over there in some space.
So guys, we're going to finish packing up.
And cleaning up, throwing away all of that money, all of that expired money in these cabinets.
Well,
Chef Boyardee.
I have nothing to say about that.
All that Chef Boyardee.
We'll be eating Chef Boyardee for dinner tonight.
You will. I can't do it. I can't.
Oh, he says he can't now, but if shit hit the fan, you'll be eating Chef Boyardee.
I'm gonna lose so much weight. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna lose all of this when shit hit the fan, because I ain't gonna be eating all that mess.
Well, you need to lose it now.
Wait till shit hit the fan.
You saving it for when shit hit the fan? That way you have fat
pizza.
reserves. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time.
Peace.
Bye.
7 Sigma. Offgrid.